Good afternoon, Arpit ji. First of all, welcome to Boiler India Expo 2024. I would shortly just request you to introduce yourself, your designation, and what it is that Techflow does.
Thank you so much, Bhupesh ji. Thank you so much. Very good afternoon to you. And thank you, Boiler India, for having Techflow Enterprises Pvt Limited here at the Expo, giving us the opportunity to be here present. I'm Arpit Kantia. I'm looking after the business development and marketing for Techflow. I'm here with my complete Techflow team here, and it has been a great experience here.
Right. Like you said, this is your second time exhibiting at
Yes.
Boiler. That brings me to my first question. What is it that brings you back to Boiler?
Well, obviously business opportunities, but along with the business opportunities, I think the experience that we had in our maiden presence in Kenya last year, because I think Boiler India and your team provides great experience, not just for the equipment manufacturer like us, but also the complete stakeholders, complete supply chain. All the stakeholders like the OEMs, equipment manufacturers, importantly the boiler users get so much value out of this this event. So I think that was the driving factor for deciding and probably continuing exhibiting here for longer future to come.
Oh wow, that's really good to hear that we played some part in your journey. So, talking more on Techflow, what would you say Techflow represents, or what would you say Techflow's core values are?
Techflow is a company, like our tagline says, healthy environment, always, anywhere. We stand for clean environment, clean air. And for that, we are designing solutions, manufacturing equipment that enhances or that is made for the industries that demand cleaner air in their environment, in their plants. So Techflow stands for a complete solution and provides complete solution, air pollution control solutions. For that, we have three verticals: air pollution controls systems. Second vertical is industrial centrifugal fans, and third vertical is pneumatic conveying system or powder conveying systems. So in air pollution control division, we manufacture equipments and systems like bag houses, bag filters, electrostatic precipitators, wet scrubber, and all the important technologies or equipment or machineries that is very essential to achieve highest air quality standards, not just the boiler, but as industry as whole. In centrifugal fans and blowers, we are manufacturing ID fans, FD fans, process fan of different and various capacities to cater to the industry at large. And in the third pneumatic conveying section, we are manufacturing dense phase and the lean phase powder handling or material handling conveying solution for the industries.
Oh wow, that is quite an extensive portfolio that you have. So, that brings me to my little more technical and nitty-gritty questions.
Yes.
So, how does Techflow's advanced dust collection technology enhance air quality in industrial environment?
We manufacture solutions, we manufacture equipment and systems like bag filter system. As you can see on our the exhibition profile that you can see in the stall here, we are manufacturing bag filter and ESP that can withstand the high dust load, high dust particles, and sustain those heavy concentration of the dust, and yet effectively clean and retain the dust within the system and provide for cleaner environment, not just inside the plant, but we help the industry to keep the air quality or environment outside clean as well. And importantly, we help our customers to comply with various statutory air pollution control emission standards.
So that brings me to my second question. What new developments have been made, like in Techflow's air pollution control systems, to increase efficiency?
Yeah, development and innovation is the heart, or is in the very heart of Techflow, and we have been designing solutions, making equipments since 1979. So we have 4 decades of experience, and we believe in constant developments and innovation. Recently, we have made innovation in both the filtration media and automation technologies. In filtration media, we have introduced or enhanced our filter bags that can withstand the high dust load along with low pressure drops. So what it means for end user, it means customers with heavy dust load, heavy pollution in their plant, irrespective of their industry, they will be generating or they will be emitting way less dust. Flue gas would be clean, fumes would be eliminated from their emission. Along with it, they will be saving lot on energies, since it is using low operational air pressure, and because the pressure drop is very less.
I see.
Apart from that, in addition, our automation technologies have been enhanced. It has been better. We have been providing real-time solutions or real-time monitoring of the systems that we provide, like operational parameters like differential pressures, air pressure, temperature, vibration, that, and not just the operational parameter, but also up to the end of the chimney or the stag monitoring system that allows the operator to make quick adjustments according to the emission that is happening, to be prepared for future challenges, and ultimately to achieve the highest and the most and to adhere to the statutory emission standards. So these are the development that we have made that has made customer very easy to maintain their emission and yet save on the energy cost and maintenance costs.
Right, I see. So how does, I'm aware that Techflow has now expanded to its recent factory.
Yes.
So how does Techflow's recent factory expansion help you customize solutions for, diverse industry types?
So thank you so much for asking the question, because I think Techflow has always been in the forefront to provide solution, and Techflow always believes in being better, bigger, with more advancement that we could provide. And the recent expansion, where we have increased our factory capacity, factory area up to 35,000 square meter, that brings us to one of the factories, one of the India's largest factories in terms of production and the factory area. And this expansion has been the turning point for Techflow. So it had completed this year, 2024, and because of this milestone, I'm happy to share this with you that we are able to enhance the production capacity and make adjustment to the to our existing product ranges. So we have kept the production range or design range the same, but we are able to, because of this new advancement, new machineries, and with the larger area, now we are able to make adjustment in our existing range. Additionally, we are now able to take up larger and bigger projects, and we are happy to announce this, that now Techflow is faster. We are able to meet the deadlines. We are able to complete the projects faster than before, and that has enhanced our capability to handle complex and multiple projects simultaneously. So Techflow is now able to, I think, handle more complex and multiple challenges at the same time, thanks to the milestone or the factory expansion.
So it's very clear that the new factory has done a lot of wonders for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Right, and it is very evident in this exhibition that you have presented here as well.
Thank you.
So moving on to my next question, how does Techflow help with the boiler industry? I mean, comply with statutory emission standards?
I think boiler industry has been or will be always under the pressure to comply the emission standards, and Techflow has been providing or ensuring the full compliance with not just the domestic or the national statutory compliance, but also we are able to comply with international standards. And the design that we do for boiler industry, especially in our bag filters and ESP, are on par with the international standard. For example, we are in fact designing, and we are already providing solutions, bag filters, that can achieve up to 10 milligram per nominal meter cube, 10 mg per nm cube. That's really higher standards even in India. So I guess these are the some of the advancement where boiler industry can be benefited. Along with that, we ensure that our centrifugal fans and the fans that we supply to the boiler manufacturers, boiler users, that we provide the optimum energy consumption to reduce their operation cost and increase their ROI.
Right, I see. Now, coming to my last question, how does Techflow ensure its systems can handle higher dust loads and varying particulate characteristics?
Well, that's a good question. Is because we are not limited to boiler. We provide solutions for the boiler end user. They may be from steel industry, cement industry, and of course boiler application has very high dust concentration. The inlet loading is very high compared to the other industry. Therefore, we have to ensure that the R filtration is able to withstand the high dust concentration and can perform or can consistently provide or gives high performance even in the challenging situations. And additionally, when we take up any project, we along with the designs and the solution that we offer, we also do a thorough assessment of the project. And in this, we provide consultancy like solution to the end user. Because we have 4 decades of experience, we know what industry has what challenges. And when we take up the projects, we understand the characteristics of the particulate matters or various parameters like what is the particle size, what the micron size the dust is, what is the temperature of the application is, what is the moisture content. So these are the minute details, meticulous details that we take note of when we provide and when we are considering to offer any solution, any techno-commercial solution. So I guess these are very small details that we focus on to provide the best solution to the customers.
Right. I can see from all your insights that Techflow has already, gone from strength to strength and expanding itself towards various verticals. How do you see Techflow, progressing? In what direction? Or do you see a particular vision Techflow following for the next, let's say, 10, 20, 30 years?
Of course, we are yet to reach where we want to be, and that's what our vision is, to become one-stop solution for air pollution control industry. And we thrive to develop more such technologies and promote the Make in India. We want to be the driving force. We want to be the front runner in the Make in India, the vision that our nation has, and Techflow is ready to contribute by developing such more technologies like FGD or SOx technologies. So I think this is where you can expect some new development in coming future.
Right, I see. Thank you so much. It was good to have all these insights from you about Techflow and how it is contributing to the boiler and heat and steam industry. We wish you all the very best. So we will be expecting you at Boiler World Expo at Southeast Asia as well, because you've been part of Boiler World Expo Kenya as well. So we are happy to see you here again, and we will be expecting you at Boiler World Expo again. And by if any chance you are into reactors or chemical allied industry equipments, I am sure you're aware that Reactor World Expo is coming up this January 2025. So if you can make it, we will be happy to see you there as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bhupesh ji, for having us. Thank you again, Boiler World India, and for having us. And we are definitely considering be part of the reactor world. And all the very best for the Boiler World team for next year.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you
time,
so much.
and thank you so much.
Thank you,
for your
Bhupesh ji.
time.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you.